this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-350 XLT. Coming in this nice Avalanche gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7 liter PowerScope turbo diesel engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, as well as the XLT Premium Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera with a lovely Bedliner. We get a bed camera as well, side bed steps with mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped running boards on either side view camera, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, turn light and spotlight indicated mirrors. And moving to the front real quick, we got recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior with 2 USB-Cs, 12-volt, and cup holders. Got your headrest for that seat right there, and we get a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage with plenty of door space in the back. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have mostly power driver's seat, the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of more door space up front, B&O sound system, power folding mirrors, lights, spotlights, tailgate, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 458 kilometers. We do get this vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do get my view, trip and field, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To remember, we got your gear select, nice little phone slot with storage underneath. You got your 6 additional seat just right here with storage below. We got storage right here as well, USB-Cs and USB, 12-volt, got another 12-volt here, and 120. Rear locking diff, dry modes, and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake. You got your climate controls right here with heated front seats. And of course we got storage above, below, and on the dash with an upgraded sound system, engine brake, traction and hazards, and a nice 360 view of the vehicle where you can go for different camera angles. Looking at our main screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone controls, navigation, pretty easy to use, search, recent, saved, and also you can have your audio open at the same time, which is pretty handy. You got fave apps such as messaging and email. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EE11981, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.